Check out this stone house. It's got a wooden front door, slate roof, stacked stone sides, stone siding. It's a cool little stone house with a brick walkway. Stacked stone planters. Bamboo forest. Nice. And out here, it's a nice hand stacked rock wall. All this is for sale in Pittsburgh, California. We'll see if we can get the company name out here, in case you want to buy. A lot of cool stuff here. Giant rocks. Hang on, we'll get the company name. What's the company name of this place?
American Stone and Soil.
American Stone and Soil in Pittsburgh, California. There you go. Have a nice day.